Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about how to brand and customize your CariSwap&Shop marketplace store. So once you've become a vendor, you will automatically have your own brand store to sell your products, right? So at first it will be empty, but as you add more products, they will automatically be included in your store. And you have the option to hide or make visible the products that you like when you like. So today we are going to go back over to your vendor dashboard, your CariSwap&Shop dashboard. And here, essentially what we're going to do is go over to the settings option. Underneath settings, you'll be able to either update your store information, which I'll do first, and then also add some other branding and social media information to help with the marketing and exposure of your store. So, as I've mentioned before, if you already have a website for your particular business, your company, one of the things that you can easily do is just kind of copy and paste the content from your main website over to your store on CariSwap&Shop. But of course, if you don't have a store or you've got your description and what have you written down somewhere else, you can type it in here. Okay, so I'm just going to go to the About page for bright colors and simply copy and paste the content here over here. So here's the store description, and then there's seller information. If you have a store number, if you'd also like to include a brick and mortar address, you're certainly free to do so as well. What's also great about your store is, let's say, for example, if you're going on vacation and you won't be shipping out products for a certain amount of time, you can actually activate the vacation mode just to notify interested customers that you are on vacation and let them know when your store will reopen. Okay, so there are a lot of great features that you can include here. I'm just going to hit Save Changes before moving further. Now that I have updated a few of the store features as far as content, the description is concerned, I'm going to head on over to the Social tab. Here you're able to add all your social media links, again, for additional exposure. So if you've got your Twitter page, if you have a Facebook page, Instagram page, these are all great social media links that you can include in addition to attracting customers via your CariSwap&Shop store, you can also boost your social following as well. And of course, if you do not have social media profiles, it's just a good recommendation to start to create some social media profiles for your brand so that in addition to taking advantage of the marketplace, you can also expand your exposure on other social platforms as well. So I think those are the three that I'm just going to add here, but again, you've got quite a few that you can include. So for each of these tabs, once you've updated the information there, you're just going to hit the Save Changes. Last but not least, I'm going to head on over to the Branding tab. Now, there are two different features actually that you can brand. Let's head on over to the store. One, your top banner, and two, your icon here. So I'm just going to update the icon. So you'll see once you have updated, or rather uploaded your image, if it's not already in your store, it will appear here, and then you can simply click the Add Store icon green button below to add that icon. Now, this one is fine. It doesn't necessarily fill out the whole circle, so I might change that, but it's also a good way to show you, depending upon the size of your icon, what that's going to look like in your store. So now you see the information has changed here with the products and also with the store icon. I believe this is the shop owner image, so that would require changing your personal image, and I'll talk about that in just a second. So I'll go back to branding, maybe opt for a larger image here. Also upload a few possibles for the header. And clicking on the control key, I am able to actually select multiple images at one time. So that's something that you can do as well. So that's basically going to upload probably about 5 or 6 images simultaneously, as opposed to clicking on them one at a time. So as those images are opening, you'll notice that I came back to the main page, just moused over this image here to go to Profile. Underneath Profile, you have the ability to change your profile photo. So this is your profile photo, and then this is your business, your company photo that you've got here. So you've got multiple options. So you have the ability to take a photo or upload a photo. I think I will select the upload photo option. From here, you have the option to drag your square around here so that you can actually customize how big or how small you want this image to display at. And you can crop your image once you're done. This is your new profile photo, has uploaded successfully. So let's see if I can tweak the icon. Again, you can change that to whatever image you would like. think maybe I'll try for a flat image. And you can go back and modify your graphics as you desire, and customize your store to your preferred preference. So now that I've made these changes, I'm just going to go back up here and refresh the store page. Once you review your banner and your store updates, you may find that maybe it doesn't fit as you would like it. Maybe it's stretched. Ideally, your banner should be at least 1800 pixels in width. You can upload any size that you want and kind of play with it, but 1800 pixels in width is the ideal size. So I'm going to modify the banner actually. Let's go over here to settings underneath branding, as I have created another banner graphic that I think would fit in this section. And it's actually 1800 pixels in width, so I'm going to go and upload that, as well as a revised store graphic. So I'm just going to upload 2 new versions. And test that out. So once you have uploaded your desired images, you can hit the Add Store banner. So it's going to change what's at the top. I'll also change the icon as well. And let's see what that looks like. Hit the refresh option. Perfect. So ideally, again, you should try and create a custom size banner so that it fits perfectly in your top bar. And this one is 1800 pixels in width by 327 pixels in height. So that gives me the perfect size for this particular location here. And then I just opted to change out. So again, you can play with your graphics. You don't necessarily have to do any editing. You can kind of use what you have and see if it works for you. Great. But if not, those custom sizes will help you create a nice, custom, professional, clean cover image for your store.